This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is September 23rd, 2019. This one here, I gotta go do a burner service for a guy. I don't know if I've ever worked for this guy before. Anyway, I'm on my way over there now. He's home supposedly. I called him, so go over there and give it the old once over.
Don't straight, then take the first left.
We'll go give it the old Gundy, Mama. Give it the old Gundy. But you got to unfan on.
Ah, that's why.
So that fan's running all the time. You put it on automatic, the fan will shut off.
Shut off, okay.
So that's why the fan was running.
Okay.
Alright?
Yep.
And,
thank you. I appreciate picking that up.
We'll put it on. We're gonna need to run the heat, so we'll just turn it up for now on heat. But yeah, so if that fan is on, it's gonna run all the time.
Constantly. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know I had one part replaced there. He burned something out on the furnace. He had dementia, and he was running the bloody heat at 80, 85 degrees even in the dead of summer. And something burned out.
Alright. This thing at all. So you're gonna need to get some filters. You don't have any?
No, sir.
Wow. Yeah, that's.
Do you carry any with you, or
Well,
tell me what I need
this,
and I'll go get it?
yeah, this. I can give you measurements. It's just so many sizes. I don't carry them all.
Okay, I understand.
Right, you shouldn't be running. You shouldn't be running that, especially with the AC, without a filter.
Okay.
I mean, how long's it been running like that for?
Like I say, we've been here 4 years. Her mother passed away about 3 years ago.
4 years, no filter?
Yep.
Wow.
Not good, I know. Obviously.
That's 14. 14 by 24.
14 by 24.
Yep.
Lowe's Depot, those places.
Yeah, you want to get something that's cheap so you get some airflow through it.
Okay, 14 by 24.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Obviously, you've been running it without the filter for so long. I mean, not good.
Nope. Looks pretty dirty.
It looks pretty nasty.
Yep.
Holy shit. The coil's probably going to be all... Wow. That coil up there is like a radiator coil. It's probably going to be all blocked.
Okay.
Probably have to worry about that next spring come here. Maybe if you're having a problem with the AC's been running okay?
The AC's been running fine, but it's every once in a while I hear like a... and then it stops.
Well, that might be that shuttle up there.
Yep. That's what I'm thinking it's coming from, is there.
Well, you got to definitely get some filters, guy. I mean, this is ridiculous. Yeah, we'll check the... We'll pull all that flame sensor out and check that. Yeah, don't look too dirty, but we'll clean it. Oh, jeez. Alright. Turn that switch on and we'll fire it up. Yeah, that one on the wall there. It's a good one. Right down here in the salt water too, I mean. not that old, you're saying? 4 years or so?
2010 is when they put this house up for.
Oh, so yeah, she's a few years. There goes the fan. Yeah, she's running good. Up or anything? So I clean the flame sensor, and you know we need air filters. So you're gonna run out and get some air filters.
I'm gonna go get those.
And like I said, you'll see come summertime. You say it's been cooling okay?
It has been cooling okay. I mean, I only used it on those really wicked hot days.
You didn't have no problem with anything icing up or anything? No.
No, sir. To be honest with you.
So you know that potentially that coil is blocked.
More than likely
Yeah,
it is,
most
based on what
likely.
you're telling me. Yeah.
Yeah.